Hey.
Hi.
It's like 11 and I
We're
have
bored.
Hershey Kisses.
Kisses from me to you. What?
Nothing. I didn't say anything.
Kisses.
She dropped my kiss. Thank you. I got another one.
Where did it go?
Wait, I didn't make it. Oh. Okay, I'll do that.
Flip, flip, and wave.
Flip, flip, and wave. Dippy, dippy, duck.
Dippy, dippy, duck. So, let's prank call
It
someone.
sticks to the roof of my mouth.
Here we go.
Ready?
Okay. I'm sorry.
Oh, this stupid piece of hair. You see that? What is she doing?
Poop! That face.
You're like blurred out on the side. Do you see that? You're
Yeah.
like blurred. Can we like fix it?
I don't know.
Is this how you do it?
No.
Get out.
Ugh.
Where? This thing?
No.
I'm just like
It
messing
has
up
to-
everything.
Stop. Stop. Just stop. Do anything.
Oh, how did you do that? No, no, no. Do the brightness down.
A what?
Put the brightness down. There.
There we go.
Why are you blurred out on the side? Stop. Don't worry, this is fake. Don't
Or
be
is it?
alarmed.
Love you. I think you know who that's for. She's a lover too.
You're like blurred.
So this is my carrot guitar.
This is my bobby pin guitar. All right.
Stars. Hey. I miss you.
I'm calling you.
Where are you? I'm gonna call you.
This is your iPod.
I know.
Ready? My phone's gonna ring.
Hello.
So you have to talk on my phone like this because it doesn't work.
So like my mom doesn't like when I eat hard tacos. Apparently I'm not allowed to eat raspberries or beef jerky because of it. And I have to have a salad or I don't get dinner.
You hung up on me.
I did.
Whatever. I'm done with you.
Do you want to see my, her fat dog?
Thanks. Daisy.
I love her. Well, I have like 4 lovers. I'm cold.
Thank you. She's terrified. Let me see her real quick.
Okay. Love you. Bye. Mwah.